What is up, guys? It's Omega Wolf, and today I'm going to be reacting to Goku versus Frieza rap battle. It just came out today, so without further ado, let's go right into it.
Sorry.
Look, brother, it's the stupid monkey.
Aw, how
It's
sweet.
the
You
lizard.
brought your brother to get his cheeks clapped too.
You know, Frieza, I think I left something on the ship. I'm gonna go get it real quick.
Relax, Cooler.
Even Cooler's
Besides, we'll be
scared.
the ones clapping cheeks today. I've heard all about your little music player and your pathetic rap battles. That's why I've spent the last 4 months perfecting my lyrical technique.
Frieza, you can't rap. Get out of here.
Goku, don't play.
Don't play.
You might catch a melee,
See your face.
or I might just let it spray.
Black, black, black.
I'm
black.
Lord Frieza and I shoot more than the NBA.
That nigga spitting.
Spitting? A being of my brother's stature does not spit.
No, Cooler. Spitting is a term these fools use when something grand is said.
Really? Well, in that case, spit on his ass again.
Goku, you're trash.
You're trash.
Chi-Chi let my bro smash.
She did.
She tried to throw me some ass, but I was busy counting cash.
Money.
I'm Lord Frieza. I do what I please. Your girl be on her knees. Name's Frieza, but I don't freeze. Gold form will make you say G's.
Yeah.
Float in my pod, just counting G's.
Yeah. Let me get real cool on this fool. He's mad cause Cooler hit his girl with the tool. My brother's gold now, and you're just a hater. Blow your planet up, then laugh at it later.
Ha ha.
Both
Oh,
of
you
them
ain't getting
niggas
shit.
spitting.
Ironic, isn't it, Goku? Lord Frieza and Cooler, known throughout the galaxy for our coldness, but just dropped heat on your monkey ass.
Yeah, on your monkey ass.
Darn it. I gotta think of something
no.
fast. I usually have a hype man, but who would have guessed Frieza would have challenged me to a rap battle? Sup, Goku? Funks?
Wait, I remember him. But something's different.
Shit.
He's
He's back!
What are you doing here, Funks?
Okay.
In the future, Frieza beats you in this rap battle and starts a rap career. He kills his competition, literally. And now we're forced to listen to his whole ass every day. Frieza killed hip-hop? Yeah, but don't trip. Together we'll change the future. I put that on the set. Right. Play up on you quick with the 12-gauge shotty. Damn. Blah, blah, blah. Goku caught a body. Boom. Blah,
Damn.
blah, blah. Shooting key blast. Better guard your cheeks, cause I'm aiming at your ass. Yeah. Pull up on the Nimbus, cause that's how Goku roll. I might take your brother's tail and stick it in your booty hole.
Okay.
Don't care if you're gold, still take your damn pod and throw it up on your chick and show her Super Saiyan God.
We don't mess with you niggas cause you
Damn.
soft.
Nigga, so
Pull the sword out, slice your cheeks off.
cheeks out.
This ain't no Game Boy, nah, we don't play.
Don't play.
Now get ready, cause you bout to get filleted. Hey.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I left something on the ship, Frieza. I'm just gonna go back and get it real quick. It'll only take a second. Yeah, it's right inside the door. I'll be right back.
Okay. That was something, Cooler got scared. He ran away. I didn't know Frieza could, rap, but, like always, Goku and Funks came and, saved the day in rapping, so, yeah. If you guys enjoyed this, reaction video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to join the channel, and join my pack. And I will leave a description to the video in the link description below. But I still can't get that word right. So yeah, and I will see all of you guys later.